Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's batteries. So we're going to have a little chat about batteries, but before I start talking about it, I'm going to go and get my little knife. So if you're like me and you get through quite a lot of batteries, sometimes it's better to buy in bulk, and that's what I've done today. That's 80 batteries should be in there. Some other bits in there you might not find interesting. So I'm going to undo the box while we have a little chat. I use loads of batteries, especially AA's. I use for my mic. I have some AA's in here. Let's just quickly show you. See if I can get it out, that is. So yeah, so it takes two AA batteries for this and two for the receiver. So this is the sender, that's the receiver. It takes two AA's. I don't use these batteries for that because I use Amazon's basics. So these are Amazon's AA basics. I have a little container to store batteries in. This is probably not big enough to store all my batteries that's in here into there. This goes on a charging station. I just thought I'd best show you first. So that goes on the charging station. I have 8 of them. So I have 4 on the charge all the time and then 4 in my recording set. And like I'm like anyone else, I have things like drones. I have a few drones that takes different types of batteries. I have really tiny ones as well. These little fat things, these I use for my flash camera. So it's the flash that sits on top of my camera. The trigger that uses one of these little fat things here. I even have smaller ones than that, and forget what I use this one for, but I'm sure it'll remind me once the battery goes flat. So this is even smaller. I have watch batteries because I repair watches. I change the batteries over myself, so I'll repair them. Get that out of the way for now. Right, these are not batteries. These are insect repellents. It says Avon's skin so soft. So I like my skin to be soft. But yeah, I use this as insect repellents for when I'm sitting out in the garden, if I go in the countryside anywhere, and they don't bite me. They stop bugging me. So that's what that's for. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in me doing a review on these. But I buy them every year, and they do work. Because as soon as I stop using it, I'll get bit. So it definitely works. So these are the babies we're on about. These are GP Ultras alkaline batteries, high performance. And I've been using them for a couple of years. Meow. And they've been really good. I've actually got one left that's not in anything. So that's one there from last year. The thing about these batteries, and most of these batteries in this pack, they don't last forever, so you've got to be able to be using them. So I wouldn't recommend, if you don't use them that much, I wouldn't recommend you buy 80. So this basically is 2 packs, so normally a packet of 40. You can buy them in less amounts, of course, but I went for the 80 because it worked out cheaper for me. I saved about £2 or £3, so that was quite a big savings. Now, I really like these. You know, obviously you can buy Duracell, stuff like that, Everreadys, loads of other makes. But yeah, so it's 80 batteries in there. And let's see if I can get it out of this container here. It's in a little packet, which I quite like as well. Let's see if I can open it. And the only reason you might want to buy something like this is if you're like me and you get through loads of batteries. And I do get through quite a few batteries over the year. You know, not over the days. And my wife will also buy some, like in the pound shop. Go to the pound shop, you pay £1 for a battery, or £1 for so many batteries. She buys them as well. But I prefer these because they last a lot longer than the pound ones. Or I found they have. Oh, see, I didn't know that worked actually. So that's how they are. Come in a nice little plastic container. And yeah, there's 80 there, like I said. So 4 rows, there's not 80 there, there's 40 there, 40 there. So 4 rows of 10. So what I normally do is I normally stick them in there, which I'll do in a minute. So I put one lot of 10 in there, and then put all these back, and get them out as and when I need them. So I just thought, oh, you know, I'll share it with my viewers in case they decide they want any. So what I'll do, I'll stick a link in the description, video description, in case you decide you want to buy them. So these are GP Ultras, yeah, and they're pretty good. Like I said, they're not cheapest of batteries. I think it cost me, let me just check, I forgot how much it cost me now. I don't think it was too much. It cost me just under £20 for a packet of 18 packet of 80 batteries, and I think they're very good value. That's why I use them. I prefer them over most other manufacturers. Like I said, GP Ultras, it says they're high performance, and hopefully they are. So that's why I use them, and I think they're pretty good. They last longer. My flash camera, the trigger uses them little ones like I showed you. These little chunky things. But the actual flash itself uses 4 AA's, and I've got some old AA's that I'm using on it at the moment, and when they run out I'll be going back to the GP Ultras. And you can see the difference. AA's, and I forget what these are called now. These are 23AE 12 volts, these little babies, and they're pretty good. They last pretty long time. So I've got some AA's in here. I've got some AA's somewhere else, some really cheap ones, but you know, these are better quality, and these are fantastic. They do these in AA's as well. Like I said, I'll stick a link in the description, video description, in case you decide you want to have a look. Don't have to buy them, of course. And I've got some Kodak ones as well. These are AA's as well. So these are Kodak. I've had these for quite a while. They're pretty good. I think I bought them when I ran out of my Ultras at one time. But yeah, just wanted to share that bit with you. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you're interested in me showing you the Avon, I'll show you the Avon. It's only an insect repellent. I'm not sure how it will work, because it's supposed to be, you know, to make your skin soft. But someone told me a few years ago that the Avon repels the insects, and then when I looked on Amazon, I was a bit dubious, and on Amazon they said the same. So it does, and it does seem to work. Like I say, any bits I miss out, I normally get bit on. So I even do the back of the hand, because that's where sometimes they bite me. So they work really well. So the batteries, these are excellent. Really pleased with these. Always have been pleased with these. GP Ultras, I'd recommend these batteries if you're looking for a good quality battery. These are the babies I recommend you should buy, but it's up to you. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.